welcome to Thursday's phonics session. Today we're going to be looking at 4 new sounds and we're going to be looking at some new words as well and then doing our sentence writing. So I'm not going to recap over all the sounds because I know we've seen them before, and if you want to recap over them, just scroll down on Class Dojo and just have a look at all the sounds together, okay, just so we've got a bit more time in our phonics sessions to get through what we need to get through in our 8-minute slot that Class Dojo gives me. So our sounds for today are these ones. Are you ready? Oh. Oh, umbrella. Down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. Excellent. Boot. Down the laces to the heel and round the toe. Well done. Flower. Down the stem and draw the leaves. Easy peasy. And last one for today is egg. Lift the top off and scoop out the egg. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Excellent. Right, I'm going to muddle them up and you're going to say the sounds super quick. Are you ready? Oh. B. Excellent. Give yourselves a Superman. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to look at some of our green words and I'm going to show you our red words in a little bit too. And we've got a new red word today that we're going to use. Okay, so I've got some green words we're going to look at. Are you ready? Okay. Remember, 3 red fingers, 3 sounds. Pinch the sounds and say the word. B, I, n. Bin. Bin. Super duper. The next one is easy. 3 sounds. K, up. K, up. K, up. Cup. Super duper. Get. Oh, super duper. Let's have a look. B. Remember, let's not get our B and D mixed up. B, ad. B, ad. Bad. Bad. Easy peasy. 2 sounds this time. Up, 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 up. And this one is od. Od. Mud. 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 No, the dog was in the mud. Goodness me. We don't want that to happen, do we? We don't want muddy doggies. And we're back to the start. Let's go through them super quick. Are you ready? Super speedy reading. Let's see. Mud. Cup. Get. Bad. Up. Bin. And back to mud. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Well done. Now before I said, oh, no, the dog was in the mud. And we're going to make a sentence using some of those words. Are you ready? Okay, so here are our red words, and we're going to use some of them today. So what we've got the, my, I, to, and new one, no. No, the dog got in the mud. Silly doggy. Okay. So we're going to write our sentence. Have you got your pens ready? Have you got your whiteboards ready? Okay. So the first one we're going to write is no. We don't want that doggy to go in the mud. So when we're writing, we need to make sure we start with a capital letter, very big letter. Okay, so if we're writing no, we need a capital N, which is called an N. So N, O. No, the dog was in the mud. Now, we could put a full stop there. But what we're going to do instead, because we're shouting, oh no, the dog got in the mud, we're going to do one of these. And I think some of us have seen these before. It's an exclamation mark, and that's what we're using in today. So if you want to add an exclamation mark to any of your writing after we finish this session, you can. You can use any of these words and any of the words we've used in the session as well. Okay, so no. Next one, the. Red word or green word? Red, well done. Do I need sound buttons? Not for red words. Okay. No, the dog, well done. D, or g, d, or g. No, the dog. Cheeky doggy. The dog. Got. The dog got. Oh no, cheeky doggy. Fingers, faces, don't forget those as well. Easy peasy. In. No, the dog got in. The, well done, we don't need a capital this time. The, and mud. Mud. Or, d. What do we need at the end of the sentence? Full stop. Excellent. No, the dog got in the mud. Full stop. Excellent. You've done Superphonics today. I can't wait to see the ones that you've done as well. So keep on working hard and I'll see you soon.